Hello, sweet kids. Today is J Day for our ABC countdown. So for J, we are doing Joke Day. I hope you come up with lots of funny jokes and you get to laugh today. Today is still April. We have 2 more days left in the month of April. So we are going to sing our April song. Sing a song for April, April. April is the 4th month and spring is here as well. Days are getting warmer, the flowers start to sprout. April, that's what April's all about. Okay, April, if we come down to our balloon, what number is underneath of our balloon? 28. 29. 29. So if we want to figure out the day of the week, remember we take today, we go all the way up, straight up, straight up, straight up, and circle the day of the week. When we circle the day of the week, we can see that it says Wednesday. So today is Wednesday. And we already said it's the month of April. And don't forget, the number 29 was under the balloon today. So today is the 29th. Today is Wednesday. If today is Wednesday, yesterday was Tuesday. And again, if today is Wednesday, tomorrow, which is the day after, it says TH, so we know it says Thursday. Thursday. Awesome. Let's go ahead and start at the very top, right up here, and read it with me. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Okay, so we already said today is Wednesday. Let's come up here and find our Wednesday. There it is. And we need to find the month that we're in, which is April. And if you remember, we popped the balloon to find the number 29. And now we need to find the year. We've talked, is it 2019 or 2020? 2020. All right, can you sing our song right after me? Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. April 29th. April 29th. 2020. 2020. That's the date. That's the date. All right, how many days have we been learning at home? Now, this is a special day today because when I add 1 to our tens frame, what happened? Our tens frame is completely filled. So when we have a tens frame completely filled, remember what we need to do. We have to move them, right? We have to move all of these tens over to our tens place. So, if we put it all in a line, it kind of shows you, it looks like a 10. Take them all out and stack them up. There we go. All right, so now I have nothing in there, but this needs to go all the way over here. So if I take one of these, it looks the same. It's just a little bit smaller, right? So I'm taking this and putting it in our tens place, And now these are all gone. There they go. So they went from in this tens frame and they moved over to here. So they are no longer that tens frame. They're this right here in our tens place. All right, so now if I go to write our numbers, how many are in our tens frame? 0. And how many are in our tens place over here? 3. So what big number all together do we get? We can count by tens here in order to reach that number. 10, 20, 30. 30 right here. We've been learning at home for 30 days. All right, now we need to erase one of our days to tell us how many days left of kindergarten. How many days are left in kindergarten? Only 16 days. Oh my goodness. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy today? All right, if you look out of your window to look to see what the weather is, what do you see? If I look out of my window, I see two things. I see rain, and I see that it's very windy. So I think today is a good day to graph two things. Today is rainy, and it's also windy. I can tell that it's windy because I can see the trees blowing back and forth. So let's graph rainy and windy. Ooh, right when I graphed windy, I no longer have any days in the month of April that have 0 weathers. All of the weather has been shown in the month of April. How cool is that? Even snowy, rainy, windy, foggy, all of them have been in the month of April. Awesome. All right, let's see what the temperature is today in Oakwood, Ohio. All right, in Oakwood it says it's 61. That is pretty warm, friends. Not hot, but it's getting warmer. So let's write 61. 6 and a 1. Remember, I always start at the top and go down when I'm writing. We always said in our classroom, where do we start? At the tippy, tippy top. All right, 61 degrees. I can't forget to label it. What are the words? Underneath of our blue box is the word would. W-O-U-L-D, would. Underneath of our green box is have. H-A-V-E, have. Underneath the purple, her. That's a new one. H-E-R, her. What is the sentence? All right, let's read it together. Did you get to go outside? That is a big word. Yesterday. Did you get to go outside yesterday? Now that is a sentence that needs punctuation. We are asking a question. Did you get to go outside yesterday? So since we're asking a question, we want to put a question mark. Now there's something else I need to fix in my sentence. Does anyone know what it is? The word you, right here. That's just the letter U. That's not the word you. When you spell out the word you, it's spelled Y-O-U. Did you get to go outside yesterday. All right, let's read our next sentence. We got to, I put an exclamation point, so I should read that again. We got to, I need to say that with excitement. Now, there are things that we need to fix in this sentence still. If I look to the very beginning, we need a capital letter. We got to, Now remember, when we are talking about capital letters, we only have a capital letter at the beginning of our sentence. So this letter right here, this G, that needs to be a lowercase g, right? We got to. Let's read our next sentence. Lucy liked being in the sun. Lucy liked being in the sun. We need punctuation at the end of our sentence. Are we asking a question? Are we saying it with excitement? Or are we just saying a sentence? I think we just need to put a period here. Lucy liked being in the sun. Let's read our last sentence. It was a fun day with her. It was a fun day with her. Now we already have our punctuation. These words look like they're spelled correctly, but look right here at the very beginning of our sentence, we need a capital letter. Here we are. All right, let's look at our pictures. Here, she wore a sun hat because it was so sunny outside, but she loved playing out back in our backyard. All right, let's go ahead and go to our number talks. Today is Quick Images Wednesday. So remember, I'm going to show you the picture, and this time it's going to be on a domino. I'm going to show you the picture, and you're going to think very quickly how many dots are there. Okay, here we go. Okay, how many dots? I saw 0 on one side plus 3 on the other side all together, so there were 3 dots. Awesome. Next one. Okay, how many were there? I saw 2 on one side, 3 on the other side, so I know that 2 plus 3 together equals 5. 5 dots all together. All right, this one. Ooh, who noticed the switcheroo? So before it was 2 plus 3 equals 5. Now this time it's just switched, right? There's 3 plus 2 equals 5. There are 5 dots all together on that one. Let's look at our next one. How many dots were there? Right, 3 on one side plus 1 dot on another equals 4 dots all together. There were 4 dots on that domino. All right, how many were there? 3 plus 3 equals 6. There were 3 dots on one side, 3 dots on the other, and 3 together equals 6 dots. Awesome job. All right, well, have a great day today.